Welcome back, everyone. I've been working on the 5610S Ford New Holland tractor, whatever you want to call it. I've done a little more research myself, and well, here's what I come up with. Let me draw this out real quick. To help illustrate what I'm talking about. This is a thermostat. How this works is on the key switch here. It's probably backwards, y'all. Off, accessory, on, start. In between on and start, there's a little like spring tension. What it does is it throws 12 volts to this thermostat. And well, what happens is this starts to heat up and glow. And this also has a fuel line off the injection pump that pretty much just stays prime all the time. And what happens is this gets hot, it opens this fuel valve in here, and then it helps get hot air. And there's actually like a flame that'll come off of this inside the intake to help combust the diesel. So I would have showed y'all me being out in the barn, but you guys was my light. So the best to describe this is how I diagnosed it is I checked voltage back here. I had like 12.8, 12.7, something like that. They're all, it's working. I put my hand on the intake. It wasn't getting hot. It was it just wasn't doing anything. So I pulled the intake manifold, well, not the manifold, the intake itself off, and right on the manifold you can see right into this. And then I went back here and held the button, or held the key to that point where I could see this was throwing voltage to it, and this wasn't glowing, it wasn't doing anything. So the best to describe what I was seeing is this right here. Got you all up here on the bench, battery. So this should just like start glowing. And we are not. Because this is just a one wire deal. It grounds out through the intake itself. So this is what I've diagnosed. I'll turn the light off just in case you guys don't believe me. Okay. Put it on here. It's not the gas can, okay? So years of cold start issues is by a $40 part. Great. But yeah, it's just that spring that activates 12 volt to that. So I wasn't sure if it was the key switch or that. So I wanted to check voltage here or over there from this to that. So that is what we have diagnosed. I won't have one till today's Tuesday. I won't have one till Monday. That injection line, it's right there from the pump, runs over right to the back of that, and it goes right in the back of the intake. That's the applied 12 volt to fire it. But yeah, maybe we'll have a cold starting tractor, hopefully.